Hey friends, today I'm making malachite prints on my gel press for large pendants, but you can use these prints to frame a postcard or make an obelisk or cover a coffee table. It's up to you. You'll need some dark green and minty green acrylic paints. Phthalo green is one of my favorites to use for this project. I'm also using a gel press placement tool. To start off, we're adding the light greens to the gel press to make simple green prints. You'll want several of these. Use the placement tool because this is a two-part printing process. Next, we're cutting small notches in cardboard to create a comb. We're also cutting a small piece of cardboard with pinking shears. Coat the gel press in dark greens. You can use a couple of different colors if you want. Distribute the paint evenly with a brayer. Using the notched cardboard, start creating malachite shapes on your gel press. You want to work quickly while the paint is still wet. Don't worry about being perfect here, the little mistakes look great. Add your placement tool and then press down your light green print over the malachite pattern. Wait a few minutes before you remove the paper so that all the paint transfers onto the paper. Keep going until you get the hang of it. Malachite is a vibrant green copper carbonate mineral mined for thousands of years with major ancient deposits in Egypt, Israel, and later the Russian Ural Mountains. It was used as a cosmetic eyeshadow pigment and protective talisman by ancient civilizations. To make my pendants, I'm cutting large bezels out of tin cans. You know how much I love to upcycle. Cut small slits in the curves and then bend up the edges with flat pliers. You can also emboss the metal for bezels like I've done if you want to. Press some paper onto the finished bezel to make a pattern and then use that to cut out the malachite print. Malachite is often linked to protection against evil, fertility, and new beginnings. Cut some cardboard to fit inside the bezel and then fill the rest of the bezel with tile grout. This will give it some weight, but it will also still be light and comfortable to wear. When the grout is dry, glue the malachite pieces on top using plenty of white school glue. Trim the edges when dry. Next, add a layer of UV resin to coat the malachite and give it some shine. Now just for fun, I've decided to add some silver solder around the edges. First, I'm securing copper tape around the edge and burnishing it to the malachite piece with a bone folder. Next, I'm adding stained glass flux to the edge and surrounding the pendants with silver solder. Now all you have to do is glue on some bales, add large beads, and hang them from a chain. I'll leave a link to everything I used in the description below. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.